In this video, I will show you how to check if two dates are of the same month in Excel like this. So let's get started. In this Excel sheet, I have some dates in these two columns. Now I want to check if these dates belong to the same month or a different month. For example, for the first row, the dates in the first and second columns are of the same month. So I want the true value in the third column. Similarly, in the second row, the dates in column 1 and column 2 belong to different months. So in this case, I want a false value in the third column. To compare and check if the date is the same month, I am going to extract the month numbers from these dates using the month function and then compare them to check if they belong to the same month. We can use the Excel month function to extract the month from a date. The month function returns the month number of the specific date. This function accepts only one argument, which is the date. Once we get the month number of these two dates, we can compare them using the equal sign to check if they are the same or not. Let's type an equal sign in the target cell to start the formula. Now type month and then an opening bracket. Select the first date as the argument of the month function. Type the closing bracket of the month function. This part of the formula will return the month number of the first date. Type the equal to sign to compare it with the second month number. Type month again followed by an opening bracket. This time select the second date as the month function argument. Type the closing bracket of the month function. Overall, this formula will compare the month number of the first date with the month number of the second date. If they are the same, the equal to operation will return true, otherwise it will return false value. Hit the enter key to complete the formula. Copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner of the cell. As you can see, we now have the results of the comparison. The columns having the dates of the same month have the true value, while the dates with different months have the false value as the comparison result. Watch these videos to learn more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.